Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Sherfy and I'm going to be talking to the class about somatic psychotherapy. Somatic psychotherapy is an holistic therapeutic approach, incorporates a person's mind, body, spirit, and emotions in the healing process. So I'm going to be talking about emotional self-regulation. So emotional self-regulation is about guiding yourself through your emotions so you can shift gears while they're leading you to feel distressed. So within somatic therapy, self-regulation is about the nervous system. Unresolved trauma may lead to dysregulation of the nervous system. This may mean you're on high alert all the time. In turn, you might react to everyday stress and events that have connected to your past trauma. So according to the somatic experience approach, talk therapy may not always be able to access this complex body process. So instead, working with your physical senses could lead you to release and shift these patterns of your trauma. So while experiencing PTSD, which somatic therapy is used commonly for, our thoughts and nervous system may become overwhelming, out of control, or just simply all over the place. So we may even forget we have edges like ourselves. We all know our limits, or some don't. So this exercise helps create an internal state of calm, because to know where we end, to know experientially inside of our own bodies, that we are located in a specific location in space, it brings us a sense of calm and relief. So when the person can feel the container, which is ourself, our body, then the emotions and sensation do not feel as overwhelming because they are contained. So the technique that I have researched and I'm going to demonstrate to the class is self-regulation. It may seem funny to some, but honestly, it's a very easy technique to make you, to make your stress levels come down in that moment. I know that a lot of people can do it wherever, whenever they want. It's not something that needs a lot of preparation or, a different space or anything like that. So you could do it at work. You could do it even in your car if the car is parked. At your house. So, and it's also something that we can teach our clients as well. It's very easy. So self-regulation, some people call it self-holding, is simply just hugging yourself. So step one is to place one hand under the opposite arm, then place the other hand over the upper part of the other arm, like you are giving yourself a hug. So let's demonstrate that first. And then step two is pay attention to your body while you're doing this. Step three would be let yourself settle into position, allow yourself to feel supported by it, allow yourself to feel contained. So just sit here in peace and quiet and just let yourself just sit here while also hugging yourself. Step number four, watch and see if anything shifts with your breathing, bodily sensations, and how you feel in this space right now, right here. See if you can sit with it for a while and let it shift your perception of yourself and the world somewhat before coming out of it. So I simply like to just hug myself for a couple seconds. That's all I need, just to make sure that my stress levels come down. If I'm experiencing some trauma or I am triggered. So I just give myself a simple hug, and honestly, I feel better about myself. And then I go about my day. I quite oftenly do this a couple times a day when I'm feeling stressed at work or, being a single mother with my daughter. So it's just something that's very easy that you could do, like I said, either at work or at home, when you are feeling stressed, and experiencing that trauma that some of us have experienced. And also we can relate it to our clients who have experienced trauma. So we can just sit here for 1 minute and just, like I said, pay attention to your body and watch if anything shifts with your breathing, your bodily sensations, and how you feel in this space. All right. Congratulations, you've just taken a step to nurture yourself and help soothe your trauma-related symptoms. This all can be related to stress as well. So some might say, what is the goal to this somatic psychotherapy technique? And that is to simply feel the body as a container and to develop our container, which is our body, that sense of self, safeness. So this should and can make you feel contained, which may make you feel safe. So while you're hugging yourself, you should also feel like you are safe in that present moment. You're hugging yourself, so your body is safe. So that is the goal of the self-regulation or self-holding, the simply hugging yourself technique. So I hope you enjoyed this technique and it helps you, your loved ones, and also your clients. Thank you.